There you go. Stay there. I'll show you the picture. Can't come off there. Great, nice shell. Nice fish, John. Just stay there and I gotta answer this message. Okay? No, you can't come over to me.
Hey.
I told you, but it's against the regulations. Against the regs there, little one.
Out of curiosity,
What?
you ever got them?
How old is she, Jim?
Oh, always.
Year and a half.
Year and a half?
Somewhere in that area.
We always do that. I found whole rockfish inside. I found
It's pretty much your
full
size.
cod,
Pretty much gonna be your.
Yep. That's all the difference we have.
full salmon,
I've got one. She,
other
I'm
small
not gonna say she
fish.
looks like her. She's
I eat everything.
brown,
A lot of king crab I find too.
same size.
She's got brothers.
Take that home? You
No.
find that inside?
Oh no, it's already way too far digested. So, sure. See if we can
I
get
bet I'm not the only one that's. No, you can't, no, you can't come up to me. You can't. Some guy over there with the knife. You know, you don't appreciate me holding.
Like that. People walk over, pick them up.
Yeah.
Worms, it comes out of their arms,
Yeah.
and it hits the ground and hurts yourself.
See? You're doing good.
So if you're sitting on the ground and she crawls into the lap, that's, I don't care.
So whatever. Remind me of a little melody.
You gotta get the
People pick them up the wrong way, they pop their shoulders out.
man, everyone's just saying here. Yes.
Well, and then, like, what's the price of the whole?
Apparently they go up to like 50 years, about 55. Okay, non-reasons.
He's gonna be done soon. What are you gonna do when I leave? No.
Wait for the next victim.
Wait for the next victim. Exactly. Okay, careful. Yeah, there you go. Just stay with that. Okay? And we'll see what we do.
Do you want to do
Made my day.
mean age of length for males or females?
What we got here, is this a male or a female?
Oh, female. The males don't exceed. They hardly ever exceed 50 pounds.
24.
Some males will, like the biggest male I've seen was about 90 pounds. So, yeah, the males are the smaller ones, while the females are the females.